Howdy. What's on the menu tonight? We are cooking a dish that takes about 6 minutes or less. Maybe it's a Monday night, you don't feel like cooking, but tonight we are going to be doing some wild caught Alaskan halibut. You can put any kind of fish in this dish. Super simple, so let's get to it. First step, black pepper. A little bit of Creole. My absolute favorite. Gonna hit it with a little bit of that Holy Voodoo by Meat Church. And a little bit of spice, a little bit of that red pepper. There we have it. Let's go pop this baby on the grill. Got the grill heating up. It's about 300 degrees. I'm using the flat griddle from Costco called the Rock. That flat top is absolutely amazing. So get it up to heat. Go ahead and put a little butter on there. Time to add the fish. I do put a small piece of butter on top as well to try and keep it nice and moist. It's been about 2 minutes. Gonna go ahead and get a flip on these guys. Oh yeah, look at that crisp. Look at that nice crisp on that one. Look at the nice, beautiful char on that. About 2.5 minutes per side. Grill got up to about 350, 375. So about 5.5 minutes total. We'll go ahead and put this together and get to chowing down. Okay, just got some rice that just finished up. We're gonna go ahead and doctor this bad boy up. So put a dollop of butter in the rice. Go ahead and add a little bit of Dano's spicy. You know it. A little bit more Creole. And some parsley flakes. The secret ingredient, half a lemon into your rice. You'll thank me later. And we're done. About 6 minutes or less. We've got some cooked halibut from Alaska. We've got some delicious rice and a little bit of cider lemon. Come here, bud. What do you think? There you have it, everybody. Thor approved.